Greetings, content marketers. Are you feeling overwhelmed with the task of researching keywords to optimize your content for SEO? Do you want to make the process easier and more effective? Look no further. I bring you exciting news about software that will change the game. With this tool, you can uncover thousands of low-competition, long-tail keywords that are perfect for your niche. The difficulty score for each phrase is clearly displayed, allowing you to see at a glance which terms are easy to rank for. The best part: you'll be able to analyze the competition currently ranking on the first page of Google, so you can focus your efforts where they'll have the most impact. So why wait? Let's dive into this amazing software and take your content marketing to the next level. The software I discussed so far is Keyword Revealer. This is software that will help you uncover thousands of untapped long-tail keywords for any niche imaginable. Keyword brainstorming tool to explore new niche ideas and group them in the correct silo structure. Keyword Revealer is a huge time saver for anyone looking to uncover low-competition keywords. Start focusing your SEO efforts on easy-to-rank terms with low difficulty scores. Once keywords are discovered, you will be able to view the difficulty score for each phrase and analyze the competition currently ranking on the first page of Google. The functions of the Keyword Revealer are keyword research, keyword brainstorming, rank tracker, site analysis, and backlink analysis. For those who need this software: bloggers, content marketers, and small businesses. Alternative: all the major tools of the present, like Ahrefs, Mangools, and SEMrush. Price: they have 4 plans in 2 modes. The methods are monthly and annually. Monthly, one of them is completely free. Basic, for $19.97. Paid monthly. Pro, for $27.97. Paid monthly. Elite, for $47.97. Paid monthly. Annually, you'll get a 40% discount on all plans. That means, free is free. Basic, for $12.50. and $150 paid yearly. Pro, for $17.50 and $210 paid yearly. And Elite, for $29.50 and $354 paid yearly. All plans including these. But they have a 1-year deal. That's for only $75 instead of $150. And they will give you this deal: 50 keyword research daily, 10 competitor keywords daily, unlimited keyword suggestions daily, 100 keyword evaluations daily, 1000 backlink analysis rows daily, 25 keyword brainstorming daily, 25 rank tracker keywords daily. Save up to 3 projects. Save up to 25 keywords. Stack 1 additional code. 300 keyword research daily, 25 competitor keywords daily, unlimited keyword suggestions daily, 200 keyword evaluations daily, 25 site analysis daily, 2000 backlink analysis rows daily, 150 keyword brainstorming daily, 150 rank tracker keywords daily. Save up to 50 projects and 50 keywords. Rank tracker mobile, exact match domain finder, and bulk upload keywords. Customer review: you will be amazed if you see their reviews. They have 26 reviews on the Appsumo. Product Hunt has 9 reviews. And on G2 has 11 reviews. So, take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10% discount today. Remember to comment if you need a review of any software. See you in the following video.